once we get on the angularjs.org page, we'll click on the download link, and as you can see there are different options we can choose from. We can opt for the stable version, which is 1.3, or for the most recent one, which is 1.4. For this training we'll be using 1.3. You can define the build option. That can be the minified version or the uncompressed version or the zip file. This is in case you download it and you place it on your own server. Or we can include that directly from the CDN. So for now I'll just copy the link for the CDN. I have already set up a page, a simple index.html page in my favorite editor, which is Sublime Text, but you guys can use everything from Notepad to brackets to Dreamweaver, whatever suits you. And the title of our page is Our Journey Begins, and I'll copy in my script tags the Angular inclusion. So now we have to define our first Angular application. We'll do that just like this. We select the HTML tag, we add a new directive, and I will talk about directives extensively for the rest of the training. For now, just be aware that the ng-app directive is the main one and defines the scope of your application and its name. Everything that is included between the HTML tags, so basically in this case the entire page, will be part of our application. So I'll call it ng-app equals, and between single quotes I'll write my first app. This is not enough because now we need to initialize the application. So at the end of the /body we'll add a new script, just like this. We'll declare a new variable var my app equals angular.module, because this is actually an Angular module, and we'll just copy the name I defined in the ng-app directive. So my first app, comma, and we'll have to add 2 square brackets, basically in general, and we will see all of those stuff later on. I don't want to tell you guys that much, it's better if we go step by step. But anyway, this instruction is just initializing our application, and the second instruction here is to inject dependencies. But as this is our very first page, there are no dependencies, so we'll have 2 square brackets with nothing in between. So I can just save my code, and we'll go to our training website, and as you can see we have just an empty page. Well, I'm sure that an empty page will not really impress you guys, so why don't we do some magic? Let's go back to our index.html and let's add some content to it. So input text. I'll use another directive. For now, don't worry about the actual scope of this directive, because we'll go through all of this stuff in the upcoming lessons again, and I'm sure that when you guys will see the first few lessons after this very first one, you say, oh right, that's what it was doing actually, and that's why it did that. So for now, just trust me, hopefully, and let's write ng-model, and let's give it a name, any name. So let's consider that just the name for our input in the Angular way, any name. And let's just add also a placeholder, which is enter your awesome name. Okay? And down below we'll add a nice h1 with hello training name. So now you'll see what happens, guys. Let's go back to our page, let's refresh it, and here we can enter a name. Let's put Brave Heart. And amazing, right? While I'm typing, automatically the page is refreshing and is showing me whatever I put in here. So this is one of the simplest things you can do with AngularJS, but it's already very powerful, isn't it? Also, I suggest you guys check the document. In the document I've added a series of links where you can download all the tools you need based on which kind of system are you.